Okay, so today we're going to be demoing the self-parking on the Audi Q4. So to get started, you hit this P button here, stands for parking with the steering wheel. It's going to pop up on the screen and tells you check your surroundings. So we're just going to slowly crawl up to these spots right here. We got some cars parked over here, and you're driving by, and once this system recognizes a spot, it'll tell you to stop, hit OK, and just let it do its thing. So my foot is off the brake. My hands are off the steering wheel. I'm not doing anything. The car is slowly checking its surroundings using the radars, all the sensors around, and the camera to put itself into the spot. Now, it's a good demo. We do have another car right here. Cars in front of us, cars to the side of us. And I mean, this thing is just doing a perfect job. So let's just watch it work. Well, this is the spot. We're in there. We even have a vehicle to the right of us. Oh. Yep, it's slowly easing in. Okay, and then we have a car passing in front of us. And voila. Hold on, it's even straightening itself out. This is truly the future. I mean, look at this. I'm not doing anything. My foot is off the brake. The car came out of the spot. Notice it could do it a little bit better. So it went back out and it's backing up to straighten up. And I'm pretty sure that it took into consideration that another car was out there. So it didn't pull out immediately to avoid any type of collision. And wow, parking done. So, and that's how you do it, guys.